What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today we are actually going to be doing a custom doormat. What? I know. This I did just get from Walmart. Oops. I did just get from Walmart, and I'm going to be using some vinyl as a stencil and some regular acrylic paint. Let's just get into it. So the first thing that I do need to do is actually go in to Cricut Design Space to make my stencil. And I'm just gonna make a simple wording for the upcoming holiday, which is like, the spooky season, Halloween. So I'm gonna put sup, and then I'm gonna do witches. That actually already has the measurements on here for me, so I don't need to measure it. So I just need to put the measurements in to here, and I'm also gonna change the font. I got it all cut out using my Cricut machine, both sides. I just cut out the access to try to save some of the other vinyl that I can use. Now I'm just gonna use my weeding tool and weed out the negative space, which is the actual cutout of the words, because I'm gonna use it as a stencil. Now I got them all weeded out. All I'm gonna go do is actually take this off and place it on the mat where I want it. Got our stencil all laid down. Now we just need to use our heat gun to make the stencil stick to the mat, so we're not lifting in when we're laying our paint, not getting the stencil kind of under, or the paint under the stencil. Okay, you guys, so I actually got the stencil all laid, and I figured out that it's gonna be easier if I actually use a spray paint and spray on instead of actually painting it, because the vinyl that I have is not really adhering to the mat, like it's not staying down. So if I'm brushing on the paint, it's just gonna move the stencil around. As far as spraying on some spray paint, it might kind of set onto the stencil a little bit more than if I was to brush it on, if that makes sense. Got it all taped off. Now I'm just gonna take purple spray paint. I thought I had black, but I don't. This is actually pink. Purple spray paint, and I'm just gonna spray onto my stencil. And now I'm just gonna remove the stencils. And there we have it. A cute, customized doormat. super cute. Let me know what you guys think down below. As always, smash that like button, comment, subscribe, and stay positive. And you know I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.